Very important news when it comes to Bitcoin and Ethereum, and this is going to be quite an untraditional video because I want to discuss something of paramount importance with you guys today. And that is something that will come in due time, so please watch this video till the end and every single piece of it so that you understand the context in which I'm going to be conveying very important information. Because if you don't pay attention right now to this video, you don't pay attention to what is happening in the market, you will lose your money in crypto, just like 97% of people in trading and investing and so like financial markets in general. So if you don't want to make up those 97%, please watch this video till the end. So when it comes to the chart, if you look at the chart, it's like it's so boring as shit. It's like there is nothing even much to talk about, as it's just consolidating a spreading wedge, nothing much, quite frankly. And the only thing that we care about is the date, 15th of October, from where, as I told you before, that the up move should begin. But this is something we've already discussed before. So same thing, Ethereum, like it is pretty freaking boring. It has some kind of spreading wedge here that is actually just came as support, but it's just not that very interesting. What is interesting though is the understanding of what comes next. And for this, before I show you, I just wanted, because I kept forgetting to show you the trade, because people were saying, oh, you closed the trade. Of course I didn't close the trade. I'm looking forward to actually scaling it further, because I mean, size small loss on it. But because remember about our take profit on ETH, even this trade alone will generate millions and millions of dollars of profits. So, and the same thing goes for some of like small, I mean, I don't have a big spot holding in this account. All of my spot is of the exchanges and stuff. I just keep on the exchanges what I need for active trading and stuff. So all these tokens, Arbitrum, WEV, DGB, all these ones that we still have in this account will perform fantastically well. And certainly this trade that we have on right now is going to just go absolutely parabolic. So if you are still not in the market in terms of some positioning, at least, let me show you something that is going to really change your mind, in my personal humble opinion. And certainly, guys, as you can see, I'm trading over on Bybit, and my exclusive link down in the description of this video. Again, a shill, yes, but it is something you can use to your own advantage. You can claim up to $30,000 in initial deposit bonuses and a 42% discount on trading fees if you sign up with Bybit using my link down in the description of this video. And if you already have an account, you can create a new one using a different form of identification, such as, for example, a driver's license. So now let's move to what is actually hiding behind the price. And what is behind the price is, here is an example of what is behind the price. China has abruptly unleashed a huge amount of money into liquidity, popping up stock market and powering major rally. So, and we've seen the same, like the same basically is happening in the US right now. So the wave is coming in, and look what happened to the Chinese index. Look, it's pumping like no tomorrow. Look at these gaps. And people are saying, oh, you just got to close the gap. No, it's not. So, and this is the type of pumps that don't close gaps. So, and because of the amount of liquidity, and it's going to keep coming in. And what is the craziest ones is the FTX distribution, which again, we already spoke about it. It's nothing new. And it's going to be coming in the next 60 days after they have quite a few hearings, additional hearings on the distribution, which is going to be happening in October, some November, December, etc. And then within months, we're going to see these repayments, the biggest ones coming in probably in the first quarter of 2025. So this is just extra. And extra to what? To this. Look, and this is what I want you guys to understand right now. Wake up and please pay attention. Only US spot Bitcoin ETFs bought, and this is from last week, I think, to September 20th. So actually, well, a couple of days ago. So last week, Bitcoin, only American spot Bitcoin ETFs bought 17,000 Bitcoin in a week, while miners created 2,200 Bitcoin only. Imagine how crazy that is. So that's without retail, that's without other ETFs, that's without governments, that's without outside of US, that's without anything else. It's just US spot Bitcoin ETFs. And this is how much there is. Do you understand the gravity of this situation? And for this, actually, let me flip to my iPhone camera, because the studio is all nice, professional, but I want to talk to you guys about something. And I want you to focus right now, because what I just showed you is the recipe to change your life in the next 12 months. If you want to live like Thomas Crowell, for example, You want to have your own gym in your own studio. You need to focus on what's at hand. Because right now, the majority of retail is not in the market. Why? Because they think that crypto is all scam, blah, blah, whatever. And they're just not focusing. They don't want to live like this. They just don't care about it as much, I suppose. But we all know that they do. Then what is the problem? They're just not paying any attention. They don't understand the basic things, the liquidity cycles. And I mean, those who do understand can expect to have a garage like this. Damn, son. So, we've been here in this market, in crypto, and I've been on YouTube for so many years, and I've been positioning myself for this bull run. We've been doing this together. I've been showing you every single move that I'm making. Not every move was perfect, 100%, I agree with you. But at the same time, the generational wealth is always created in liquidity cycles. It's always being created in the shortest periods of time. If you take, even historically, if you look at the market, you see the cycles of big pumps. You will see that mostly they're happening, like you take the 5-year time frame, especially in crypto, you'll see that 6 to 8, maybe 12 months in that time frame is parabolic. And this is where you actually make all the money. And those who understand cycles, they later start losing money because they keep pumping money into the wrong time, at the wrong time, into the wrong things. And we've been discussing so many aspects of the market, so many aspects in terms of geopolitics and macroeconomics and liquidity and just generally, I don't know, Bitcoin cycles and the ETFs and what is happening in terms of mass adoption and all these things put together right now. If you guys ever have dreamt of living, I don't know, like this, like Thomas Carl, or just anybody else whom you all look up to, whatever, or maybe you have your own dreams that you've created in your minds, now, please, now is the time. And what my best suggestion is to pay attention to the market. Don't be scared of the market. Certainly we can always dump short term, go sideways, whatever. But remember, to actually excel at what you do, there is only one simple recipe. And for that is your power of the mind and the knowledge of trading cycles and all these things. So if you still don't understand them, you don't know how to actually control your emotions, how to become happy, fulfilled, and intrinsically just understand what is intrinsic love toward yourself, which actually contributes to peace, no anxiety, and a good place to be, like real intrinsic happiness. This is where I am physically myself, like in terms of my soul and body. And for that, because this is how you can actually sustain any risk, this is how you can sustain any losses for any period of time, because you understand what is happiness. At the same time, you understand what markets are, etc. So to learn all these things, join our community, the Game Changer community, to change your game, where you'll learn. In Game Changer community, for one, it's thousands of like-minded people, that's number one. And the tools, trading tools, investing tools, crypto tools, mindset tools, fitness tools, nutrition tools, to actually, and personal also finance tools, so that you understand how to manage your money so you don't piss away your money. Join the Game Changer, the revolution in terms of online communities. And we're going to this whole entire experience of living like the kings together. Game Changer, link in bio. And don't forget about the bonuses on Bybit as well. See you guys in the next video. Cheers.